This is the 2023 Lexus RX350, the brand new generation. And I am very excited to show you guys the 20 plus interesting features on this vehicle. Before I get into the video, I do have to give a big shout out to Lexus Downtown for letting me review this car. If you guys are in the Toronto marketplace and looking to purchase a Lexus, make sure you guys visit Lexus Downtown. Let's start at the front of the vehicle. We have this big, expressive Lexus kidney grille. It looks very similar to the last generation, but it has been a little bit refined. We have more body paint color at the top half, and it seems to blend into the grille more. Instead of having the outer edges cut in, it's like blending into the bumper, which I think is a really good look. On the side, we have these very unique headlights that have the Lexus L as the turn signal and the daylight running lights with built-in LED low and high beams. Under the hood, there is a big change. Lexus has gone away from the 3.5 liter V6 that they've had forever, and we have a brand new 2.4 liter four-cylinder turbocharged engine that's going to be pushing out about 275 horsepower to the Lexus all-wheel drive system. Now, it is a front-wheel drive bias system, but I believe it does split the torque equally 50-50. Well, at least that's what I saw with the inside infotainment system, which is all brand new, but we'll get to that in a second. Now, before I get any farther into the video, please help me out with YouTube's algorithm and smash the like button. Also, consider subscribing if you want to see more walkarounds like this one. On the side of the RX350, we have 21-inch alloy wheels with all-season tires for the front and the rear. We also have redesigned door handles with comfort access so you can lock it or unlock it as simply as that. Now, the overall size of the RX hasn't changed, but we do have an increased wheelbase as well as an increased wheel width. But yet Lexus was able to keep the body size the exact same. Now, we do have the classic sloping back of the RX here, but it seems to be in the redesigned fashion for this glass panel. I actually like it. We have a brand new redesigned rear end with the rear taillight light bar going across the whole way, very similar to what Lexus did with the IS. And I like the rear diffuser here with this silver paint in the inside. So no matter which color it is, it's gonna be black, silver, black. With a click of the button underneath the Lexus logo, it's gonna fully power open for us, and we have a ton amount of trunk space. In the trunk, you have a privacy cover that can come down and even disconnect and go out of the way. Lexus gives you a roadside blanket, rubber mats, rubber trunk mat, and as well, you have additional storage underneath here for your spare tire and your roadside jack. On this side, there's a little control panel for the rear seats, so you can click a button and they'll electronically drop down for you. And if you're grabbing your groceries out of the back and you want to lock the vehicle, press the button on the right, it'll close the trunk and lock it. Now let's hop into the back and check out the back seats. Now, it's redesigned, but it still has the same Lexus vibes. We have plenty of knee room, plenty of headroom, and a super cool feature I've never seen on any other SUV. This car even has rear ventilated seats. So not only are they heated, but they're also ventilated back here. The only other car I've seen ventilated rear seats has been the BMW 7 Series. Maybe there's some Mercedes out there, but I have never seen ventilated front seats at this price point. Center console does come down, 2 cup holders and an additional storage area. Fold that back up. Super plush black seats. We have rear carpet mats, rear cargo room, and there's even a display screen here for the temperature and 2 USB-C ports. Did I mention this massive panoramic glass sunroof? Now let's hop into the front seat. Now the front interior is completely redesigned. We have this massive infotainment system, brand new gauge cluster. We got new steering wheel vibes, new shifter vibes, and my favorite thing, how the door opens up. Electronic button press and the door opens up. You no longer have to pull and open the door handle. It's a little simple electronic clicky and it works. And there's even a backup in case the power dies where you just pull the handle out twice and it opens up like normal. That I think has to be my #1 favorite feature on top of the rear ventilated seats. Now, most of the other stuff is pretty hard to show you from this angle, so I'm gonna hop behind the camera and show you guys the driver's cockpit. All right, so before we hop into the driver's side, let's take a look at the door panel. So what do we have on the door panel? We've got the window switches and the mirror controls. Then coming in, on the left side of the steering wheel, we have big black gloss, have the vent, we have the trip odometer, and then we have our memory save seats. And then below that, we have the trunk and the gas cap release. And below that, a little bit of additional storage. Now this is the door opener that I was telling you about. So simply just press and it opens. And if you need to, pull twice to open. Absolutely love that. Lexus did a great job. We also have this new redesigned gauge cluster. I love this gauge cluster, and you can customize what you see in the menu right here. You can go back. Let's go 0.5 here. So we can see here we can go back, and then we can go over and adjust the different things that you're gonna see. So you can adjust what you see by clicking these buttons right here. So you can go over, adaptive cruise control. I'm liking the whole door vibe here into the dashboard area. And then of course, if you want to upgrade, you can get the one with the head-up display, and you can also get the 360 parking camera, part of that luxury 3-level package. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys appreciated this 2023 Lexus RX350 walk-around. Like I said before, make sure you guys check out Lexus downtown here in Toronto if you're interested in purchasing the RX350. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.